Hello, welcome back to the CYP AV Academy. My name's Neil Walton, I'm the Technical and Training Manager here at CYP Europe in Shepperton. I'm here today to talk to you about our new HDBaseT Lite matrix, the PU-442PL-KIT. This features, along with the HDBaseT Lite chipset, the ability to have PoE, which basically means that the receivers which are supplied with the kit are not required power. The power all comes from the main matrix. So, the 442 matrix, as you can see, is now named after a football formation. What we have are 4 HDBaseT Lite outputs, and the kit includes the receivers that go with those outputs. So it's the Lite, the PU-442PL receiver. This does not require power. The power comes from the main matrix. This allows you to deliver an HDMI signal over 60 meters at 1080p for a residential installation where the screens are within 60 meters. The unit also features 2 independent HDMI outputs. So effectively this makes it a 4x6 matrix, where the 2 HDMI outputs can be used for local screens or local syncs such as AV receivers. The unit can be controlled via the units on the buttons on the front. It also has IR control, an IR input for a Magic Eye, RS232 control, and a LAN port to use telnet commands, or the unit itself will actually create a web GUI. So, this is a residential product for 4 HDMI sources to 6 HDMI screens. For any more information, please go to our website at www.cypeurope.com. Thank you.